How I get more YouTube views without paying for ads using free AI tools. Tired of posting YouTube videos that don't get views? You're not alone. In this video, I share 5 free strategies to grow your channel without spending on ads using an AI tool called AI TubeStar. Generate viral titles. Auto-write descriptions plus tags. Boost retention and visibility. Show up in ChatGPT, Gemini and more. Hey creators, if you've been posting YouTube videos and getting almost no views, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how I started growing my channel without ads and without posting daily, using one free AI tool and a method called LLMO. Why ads aren't the only option. A lot of creators think you need a budget to get seen on YouTube. But in 2025, visibility comes from optimization, not money. That's where LLMO comes in, large language model optimization. Write clickable titles using AI. Don't waste time guessing what works. Use AI to generate titles like, How to Grow on YouTube Without Ads. Top 5 free tools to boost video views. I use a tool called AI TubeStar for this. It gives me 10 title ideas in seconds. Create evergreen videos. You want content that people always search for. How-tos, tools, case studies. These videos show up in YouTube search and in AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini.